Hey guys, 7Watson here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the Android SDK, ADB, and Fastboot on Windows 10 64-bit, updated to the latest version of the SDK manager. Now first off, I want to apologize to all my viewers because I couldn't put out a new video for the updated version of the SDK because my microphone wire, I lost it and I couldn't record. But now I'm back, so yeah. Now first off, there's gonna be a few changes this time. The first of which being we have to download the Java JDK and set up its path variable so we can actually access it from our command line. If you search on Google like this, go over to Oracle's website and just wait for it. Okay, so just accept the license, and this is the executable that you need to download right here. For in this case I'm using Windows 64, but in case of 32 bits you're gonna use this executable right here. Okay, so download that and install that. It's gonna take some time, and yeah, the next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to modify our path variable for specifically for Java. So how are we gonna do that? Head over to our C drive, program files. In case of 64-bit, go over to Java. Okay, so these are the two installation folders for Java. The first of which is the JDK or Java Development Kit, and the next one is the JRE or the Java Runtime Environment. So we're gonna head into Java, head into the bin directory. This is where all the Java executables are. We're gonna copy this entire path. Excuse me. Now minimize that. Right click on this PC, go to Properties, Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables, and inside System Variables we're gonna scroll down and find path right here. So we're gonna edit that. We're gonna add a new path and just paste it right here. So C's, program files, Java, JDK, bin. Okay, so yeah, we've added that, and just as a precaution, I'm gonna add the JRE one as well inside the bin. Just copy this, new, paste it. Okay, so these two are inside the path variable now. So our command line is gonna recognize it from anywhere inside our operating system. Let's try it out. Just open up command prompt and type in Java -version. Hit enter, and yeah, so the Java version is this. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna turn off Flux right now, cause I can't really see properly. Yeah, that looks kind of better. Okay, so the Java version is right here, and the next thing that you need to check is the Java compiler version, which you can do by typing javac with the C right here, and -version. Hit enter, and javac, it's the same version basically. So yeah, our Java executables are working, and we can move on to the Android SDK installation. Okay, so we're gonna head over to the Android SDK website. Android SDK, download Android SDK tools from the developer Android developers website. Scroll all the way down. Yeah, so get just the command line tools. We're gonna download the Windows version right here. SDK tools Windows . Its size is gonna be 132 megabytes. You might notice that it's kind of smaller this time. That's because the SDK manager, which used to be a graphical user interface, doesn't exist anymore. It's now command line, but I'm gonna show you how to set it up. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so we're gonna make a new folder called Android SDK in the C drive, and then we're gonna place the SDK tools zip file, which we just downloaded from here, right here, and we're gonna extract it. Hang on, let me check. Yeah, so it just has the tools. So we're just gonna extract it right here, and basically we're just gonna get the tools folder instead of the complete SDK set that we used to get. Oh, yep, done. Go over to the tools, and yeah, so everything's different right now. There's no SDK manager. Actually there is, but there's the command line version, which is inside the bin directory. Actually, you know what, I'm just gonna walk you through everything here. These folders, you don't need them right now. The android.bat, that launches, that's actually what do you call it, obsolete now. We can't use it anymore. The emulator is for the Android system emulator, and inside the bin directory is our SDK manager.bat, or the SDK manager batch file. So we're gonna have to use our command line here. Okay, so we're just gonna shift and right click, open command window here, and just gonna type in SDK manager and hit enter. And yeah, so this works inside. You can see the usage right here. Basically what this does is we can use this to list the Android SDK packages and download them one by one, and even update them by the update command right here. So first let's list the packages. Okay, so SDK manager list, hit enter. And yes, you do need an internet connection for this, since it's fetching an XML file of the list. Okay. Oh, whoops, sorry, excuse me. We're gonna need 2 hyphens in front of the list command. Hit that, and yeah. Okay, that's better. Sorry, I just had a panic attack right there. So the ones we're searching for is the platform tools, which has the ADB and Fastboot, and there it is, Android SDK platform tools. And to download it, we're just gonna say SDK manager platform hyphen tools, and it's gonna show you the terms of agreement. You can read through it just like before. I'm just gonna hit accept, Y for yes, and hit enter. So I'm just gonna skip ahead for this. Okay, alright, so SDK manager has downloaded the platform tools, so let's go check it out. So Android SDK, yep, platform tools is right there, and there's our ADB, and there is our Fastboot. All right. Oh, and another thing, if you want the graphical user interface of the Android SDK manager, it's inside the Android Studio, which you can download right here. I'm not gonna do that because my tutorial's only for the SDK tools only and not the studio itself. So if you're into app development, I strongly recommend you check it out. Okay, all right, so back into our command line, let's try using ADB. Yep, doesn't work. And let's try moving into the platform tools directory, since that was where ADB was located. Yeah, ADB is right there inside platform tools. Platform, you know what, tab for auto completion, and platform tools and ADB. So ADB works inside this, but doesn't work outside. How do we fix this? Just like before, we're gonna edit our path variable. So C Android SDK platform tools, copy that, minimize that, and once again go over to this PC, advanced system settings, environment variables, and inside the path variable, hit edit, new, and just paste it. See Android SDK platform tools. Yep. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna add a new one called tools, just in case we need to access the Android SDK from our command line again, and I don't want to navigate through all that. Just head over to the bin directory, copy this path, and edit that, clear that, and paste it. Okay, see Android SDK tools bin. Okay, So we're gonna be able to access our SDK manager and all the other executables from the SDK right here. So yeah, that's that. So let's close our command prompt and open it again for a new session. Type in ADB. Yep, ADB works. Let's try Fastboot. Yep, Fastboot works as well. Alright guys, that's it. ADB and Fastboot work from my home directory. And that's about it. Oh, and once more, you need to download the specific drivers for your devices, because each driver contains each driver has different versions for Windows, and you need to download them, install them, and then you can use ADB and Fastboot with your device. And yeah, that's that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you next time.